welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, subscribe down below, hit the bell, comment down below, like this video or don't. But yeah, anyway, that's all you have to do, and it will help my channel out a lot. So today is November 21st. Yeah, I was right. Saturday. Happy Saturday, you guys. And it is 11:38 a.m. right now, and just got done watching Juliet K. Christ or something like that. Yeah, that's her name. Okay. So yeah, I just got done watching a lot of YouTube. My friend's supposed to hit me up on Instagram. Let's say YouTube. On Instagram. I wish they had messages on YouTube, like, you know, that's what like it used to, but now it doesn't. Like, the fuck? It's weird. Anyways, I'm drinking this pop. I got, like, I'm gonna show you guys now. Yeah. Anyways, I still got a stuffy nose and still coughing, still sick. I don't know about my mom. Don't know. But anyways, let's go make some sandwiches and stuff. I'm about to go make some sandwiches, you guys, because I am hungry. Hungry still. Oh, she went to go get coffee. I'm like, really? Yay. She didn't even ask if I wanted to go. Rude. I'm gonna get me some freaking food right now. I had to turn this up on. Okay. Got me some bread. And let's get some. Got my peanut butter. Got my jelly. And I got my banana. Michelle will be back. She can wait. She just went to get coffee.
She just went to get coffee. So she'll be back. Okay?
Alright. I'm about to end this clip so I can eat my sandwich and banana. Talk to you guys in the next clip. Update time is 12:51 p.m. right now, you guys. So I'm watching Key Casanova. Yeah, I'm watching her. I just got done watching Alicia Mary. I've been watching a lot of YouTube. I'm gonna start watching more Netflix. But I've been watching that all week. The whole week I've been watching Netflix, catching up on shows and stuff. But now I'm just like watching YouTube. I just got done reading on Wattpad and stuff. So like, you know, I made up this whole story. Oh, got my coffee finally. My coffee. It's almost gone. So, I made up a whole story in my head when I was sleeping, and I was like dreaming. I was dreaming. Then I made a freaking whole story in my head about a party, acquaintance, whatever, and my best friend. And then something like this, my best friend called me up to go to this house party she got invited to. Why didn't nobody invite me to the house party when I know them and she doesn't know them? Like, what the hell? But yeah, anyways, I went to the party by myself, and I saw my best friend there, and I was like, hey girl, what's up? And she was like, oh, hey. And I was like, oh. And then she saw one of my vlogs, and then I heard my crush ask her out, and she said yes, and I'm like, what? A minute. She know I have a crush on her, and then wow, that's how I feel right now. Wow, people just gonna do me like that. Like, that's how I was like, okay. I woke up after that, like, my crush's sister likes me, but I don't like her like that, and it's like all fucked up weird. I'm gonna write a story about it, but and then I will tell you guys about it and everything. Like, yeah, that's my dream. Oh, let me go out here. I'm gonna show you guys the new car that we got. Still stuffy nose, man. So we got this car. See, look, this matte part. Oh my god, I got a stuffy nose. And yeah, that was a nice car, huh? I will show you guys new stuff when we got it. Show the outside. It's beautiful outside right now, but it's too loud. But yeah. Anyways, like I said, today it's gonna be a relaxing day. But tomorrow I'm going to be on video, and I'm gonna plan out for Vlogmas, cause Vlogmas is good, and I'm gonna put the same video that's on my YouTube. It's gonna be on Facebook also, because yeah, that's what I want to do. So anyways, I will talk to you guys in the next clip, you guys. So, deuces, peace out. I said peace out, like I'm gonna close out the vlog, I'm not. But yeah. Hi guys, update time is 2:14 p.m. right now. This is the third clip. I'm doing like 5 or 6 clips, I don't know. But we'll see. But anyways, I'm watching Danielle Carolyn right now. And yo, we're about last clip was I went outside, show you guys the new car and everything, and that was it. And yeah, so That was the clip. That was the last clip. I don't know. Hold on. Oh shit, my nose. It's stuffy. Okay. I made. Okay. My better channel. I made this YouTube channel because I want to not vlog. I want to make it from the podcast me and my best friend is doing. So it's a podcast video. I want you guys to go to subscribe to it, but I'm gonna tomorrow instead of today, cause then you guys can go and subscribe to it. I'm going to do a video, the intro video, and so yeah, it's a podcast for me and my best friend, and we're just gonna talk about random stuff and how guys are dicks, and yeah, we're gonna talk about it. Yeah, I don't know. So I'll talk to you guys in the next clip. Just wanna have an announcement, and for it, I just want to tell you guys why I make a lot of freaking channels, because some people like to try to get into my YouTube channel, so I make a lot of channels and stuff. So mukbang / podcast, talking, whatever video. I don't know what's gonna be. I don't know what the title, but it's like why guys are dicks or something like that. So yeah. And hopefully people watch the video. Hopefully people will like it. But yeah. Anyways,
what's up, everybody? Update time is 4:55 p.m. right now. It's the last of the vlog because I'm about to go to sleep because I took some sleeping gummies already, and I'm about to go to sleep. But yeah, so anyways, getting ready to close this vlog out. Look, I'm putting stuff over there. Okay, there's a lot, but whatever. I want you guys to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit the bell, and follow me on Facebook and everything, you guys. So follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and I'm putting a lot of these vlogs that is on here on YouTube that is going to be on Facebook also, my personal Facebook page, and all the vlogs gonna be on here too. So it's gonna be the same vlogs, but people don't want to come on YouTube, they could go watch it on Facebook. People don't want to go on Facebook, they could watch it on YouTube. So it's gonna be the same vlogs and everything. So this is for YouTube and Facebook only. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do in my vlogging on my tablet. You can see through my glasses. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to go to sleep. So good night. See you guys in the morning. I'm doing another set 5-6 clips for YouTube and Facebook. Okay, alright, bye.